Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are gonna open up my FabFitFun box. So FabFitFun is a subscription service, one of those beautiful boxes that you get, except you get this seasonally, so summer, spring, fall, winter, right? It is $49.99, but don't worry honey bunny, I have a link in the description below so you guys can get $10 off your first box. And if you are not wowed after your first box, you're gonna be wowed, girl. Like, you're just gonna be wowed. So I've been a member for 2 years, maybe a little bit more than that. And I've loved all my boxes. And if you ever like find that there's a product that you're like, you know, I already have this, or I don't think that's quite for me, you can give it as a gift. I've done it, girl. Like, I've done it. I've given them as gifts. And like, my friends love them, okay? And I know it's from this FabFitFun box. You can also customize a lot of the products in this box. So, come on girl, like, let's test them out. You can customize them for you. Now, I don't even remember like what's in this box, like what I customized. Also, I have some add-ons that are in here. Like, let's talk about it, girl. Let's talk about it. So when you get your box, sorry, I'm making so much daggum noise. Oh, and we're moving. Let me scoot back from you guys a little bit. All right. There you go. Is that better? So when you get your box, you have this cute little. So this time FabFitFun actually teamed up with Special Olympics, and they always team up with someone every season. You know, isn't that great? So look at Gabby Douglas, and she's so cute. So whenever you open up your little magazine, you also see what might be in your box. All these little products. And then it tells you the total value. So it might be $225 or $477. And you're only paying $49.99. So I think it's worth it. But let's see what's in here. So first you have Green Chef, which is a meal kit. Dun, dun, dun. Green Chef. And then Bright Cellars, discover wine you love, and you get a $50 credit. Fun. So much fun. Okay. Let's see what's in here. I have the Isaac Mizrahi Loves Exo Siena. This vase. And you know, we all like a good old vase. Let's just open. Let's see what it looks like, girl. I don't know, like, with everything trying to open it. Remember, I didn't open anything on my Sephora haul, and my sister was like, we want you to open it, and we want you to swatch it. Okay, girl, I got you. Look at it. It's so cute. It's a little vase. A few little cute little flowers in there, and you can be wowed. It's cute. I like it. It definitely will go with my decor. Dun, dun, dun. What else is in here? We have the Tarocco foot cream, and it's Sicilian blood oranges. You see that? Oh, focus. Is it focusing? Beep. Yeah. Ooh. It's foot cream, but I want to smell it. I actually like the smell of citrus. This smells so good. So good. I can't wait to use it. I like to like moisturize my feet and put on socks and go to bed, but like halfway through the time that I'm asleep, I'm taking them off, so. And it works. Oh, we have a hand cream. Remember guys, I'm a nurse and I already washed my hands a lot. Like, I washed my hands a lot before this whole coronavirus thing. Now, like, I have eczema too, but now it's like flare up eczema because my hands and everything are extremely dry from like the excessive washing. That's okay guys, we ain't trying to get that virus. So this is a Spongelle hand cream, and it says coconut verbena. Oh, we gotta smell this because you guys, I love coconut. Oh my god. That smells so good. I could use this at work and be like, I'm on a tropical vacation. There's no, I'm not at work. I'm on a tropical vacation. That smells really, really good. Like really, really good. And next, I'm super excited about this. We have the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, look, it opens like on both ends. Like, I don't really know how I feel about that. And I kind of wish that they put two, because does anybody sleep with one pillow? No, me neither. But I like it. I sleep with a silk scarf, but you know, sometimes you just go to bed and you don't have a scarf on. You're just like, this would like really work for you. It's really nice. And like, if you guys don't know, there's like so many benefits for sleeping with like a silk pillowcase. Like, helps with your skin, helps with your hair. We gotta do it, girls, because we want to look young forever. Next, we have the Winky Luxe. I think it's like a brow. Yeah, it's like a brow shade. And it says this is like, it looks like it's like a universal. Yeah, it's a Uni-Brow. Like a universal shade. I don't know how that's gonna work. Like, can you see that on my hand? Like, can you see that? I mean, we can try it out. But I don't know how the whole universal brow thing's gonna work out. Like, we're gonna try it out, girls. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna have the prices linked in the description below, so I'll put the product and how much it cost, so you'll know how much this whole box was, girl. Guys, I'm super excited for this. Okay, this is the Mason Home Scent Collection. I have an issue like with like scents. Like, I want my house to smell good at like all times. This is so hard to open. I have like the Bath and Body Works plugins everywhere. And I bought my mom, I'm looking for my scissors. Oh, here they are. I bought my mom like this diffuser before, and it smelled like roses. Yeah. She likes roses. I like roses. We like roses. So let's see this. We're letting it out. Ooh. I want to. I don't know if I'm going to open that. Oh my gosh. I literally. Okay. Guys, we're having it wouldn't be a video with me in it. A Brenna Leanne video if Brenna didn't have issues. Oh, this is like the solution. Okay. This is so hard to open. So hard. Okay, hold on. Hold on. It's so cute. Look at it. And you can like put this in your room or your bathroom. I think I'm gonna put this. It's so cute. It's so very cute. So again, that's called the Mason Home Scent Collection. I think I can smell it. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. Oh, bergamot, vetiver, geranium, and patchouli. It smells, actually smells really, really good. Is that everything? I have no idea what it is, but I think it's a Michael Kors. Okay. Oh So cute and pretty. Angela? Angela? You wanna take me on a trip now? I have, all I need to get now is my passport. So you can take me on a trip? Or my boyfriend. Hey, hey. I now have something to put my passport in, so let's go get our passport. I need a vacation. I need a vacation. I'm telling everybody, family, friends, if I know you and you know, you guys, we need to go on trips. Let's get our passports. I don't know when we're gonna be able to go, but we need to go. Okay, these are the Toms. These are Tom's sunshades. They're so cute. They're like retro. You know when they say that like styles from like back then come back? They do. They really do. And honey, we're back. And we're better than ever. Now I want to go to the beach. Angela, you want to take me to the beach? Me and Deja want you to take us to the beach. We're ready. Like, or you know, do you know what you can do with these glasses? Like one of those days where you don't want to wear makeup like at all, you put them on. You're all covered. Like, I probably have makeup on this. Oh, I don't. That foundation routine must work, girl. I know, I'm so weird. I can't help it. I think that's everything in my vlog. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna put in the description box like how much everything was and the final total of my box. So they also have like these little sales, and I can't think for the life of me what they're called, but whenever you get your little box, actually your big box, your FabFitFun box, they include them. And like basically during the sale, like everything's like 50 to 70% off whatever the normal price is. So I got these black eye masks that are full of hyaluronic acid. I love eye masks because, you know, I work night shift and the dark circles are real, okay? There's nothing we can do about it. So that's what that is. And also what came with that is this black peel off mask. My boyfriend said he wanted to try a peel off mask. Or was that somebody? No, he wanted to try pore strips. But hey, these work just as good if you can handle the pain. You have to do it like, really like nicely because it will hurt. They also had this Too Faced Hangover RX. And Mom, I got this one for you. You little you know, you can use this before you put on your makeup as a little primer because it's primer and setting spray. I got this for you. I got that for you, Mom. And I also got, I'm not gonna open that because that's my mom's. I also got the Hangover Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. Serums are essential, guys, because they kind of help they help with your skincare and they help the elasticity of your skin. You just put these babies on. You know, a lot of people like to put this on and do like the jade roller. This is all about looking fancy and fabulous, okay? All right, and the last thing I got was this LMS little set. So in here, it actually comes in this cute little bag. Perfect for travel. I'm gonna go traveling. Oh my gosh. Okay, so in here is the LMS Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. Reviving eye cream. I don't know if you guys have like realized the theme here. Like, do you know how much concealer is under here? By the way, I worked last night. So, but it's also later in the day, so. And this is a lot of concealer. And I also have the Peptide 1000 Flower mask. I love masks. I heard really good things about Elemis, so like I wanted to test it out, and like buying it during this basically huge sale is like the best time to do it. And they have it a few times. And this was the Skin Wellness Essentials. Wake up tired complexion with skin synchronizing powers of peptide 24/7. Oh, and it tells you can get 15% off your next purchase at elemis.com. And look, there's like a little face cloth. So like, when I tell you guys, like FabFitFun has so many things, like so many ways. By the way, not sponsored, bought with my own money. And I've been a member, like I said, for almost 2 years. Try it out. See if you like it. Like, it's not like you're going to be getting a bunch of products that you can't use. Like the last few that I mentioned, or like ones that I personally picked out and I paid for because, you know, during their little sale that they have. I think it's called an add-on sale. Like, don't quote me. Like, I'll put it down in the description box. But I cannot remember what that sale is called. But it's really, really good. Okay? So, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, put that thumbs up right there, and subscribe. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Like, let me know what you guys want to see. As in like videos. We're gonna do a skincare routine. I have tons of makeup routines coming towards you guys. Tons. Well, not makeup routines, but like makeup videos coming to you guys. Because now we're getting ready to throw on the eyeshadow. I know you guys are ready for that. Okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you, my beautiful friend, in my next video. Bye.